Hi there. Are you a small business owner looking to boost your online sales? Today, I want to talk about a crucial aspect of your online store, that is building an engaging product catalog. Trust me, it can create all the difference in attracting and converting customer. So let's dive right in. The first key to build an engaging product catalog is to focus on high quality visual. So invest in professional product photography, or you can take your own high resolution images that showcases your products in the best possible light. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and a captivating image can capture your customer's attention instantly. Next, pay attention to your product descriptions. Be detailed and specific, highlighting the unique features and their benefits and uses of each items. Put yourself in the customer's shoes and think what questions they may have. Clear and concise description will help your customer make an informed decisions and reduce the need of further inquiries. Organize your products into relevant categories. Think about how your customers would naturally navigate through your offerings. By creating clear and intuitive categories, you are making it easier for your customer to find what they're looking for, ultimately enhancing their shopping experiences. Do not underestimate the power of customer reviews. They provide social proof and build trust with your potential buyers. Encourage your satisfied customer to leave reviews at your website or any other platforms. Positive feedback can significantly influence the purchasing decisions and make your product catalog more enticing. Lastly, remember to keep your product catalog up to date. Regularly add new products and remove the discontinued ones. Nothing frustrates the customer more finding that the product they love is no longer available. By keeping your catalog fresh and relevant, you keep your customer engaged and coming back for more. And there you have it. Building an engaging product catalog is an essential step in maximizing your online sales potential. Remember to invest on high quality visuals, provide detailed descriptions, arrange your products effectively, leverage customer reviews, and keep your catalog up to date. So happy selling and may your online store thrive.